Okay, so I just want to take a minute or two to show you around here. And if you're new to Udemy, then this may be the very first course that you're taking. And if not, then you're probably familiar with what I'm going to tell you. But I just want to show you how I structured this course basically. It's divided into sections, and the first section basically is what you're watching now, and that just shows you what is going on with the course, how to ask for help, where to ask for help, and how the course is structured, which is the lecture you're watching. So basically it goes into, after this section, it goes into section 2 where we start with the programming basics and we talk about playgrounds and the very basics of Swift 2. And then we come into control flow where we talk about control flow, and then it goes into a section on collection types, functions, and then we switch gears a little bit and we make the answer ball app. Okay? And then once that app is completed, we go into optionals, binding, enumerations, code safety, and then we come back more Swift, property observers, and we do another app, then we come back and do a little bit more Swift, then we have a demo app, and then we come into a collection of apps basically, which right now we're probably at 7 or 8 apps, and I'm going to be adding more. But as you go through these, one thing to note is, I'm just going to scroll up to the top here where the first section is. One thing to note is basically we have an introductory quiz, which I suggest you take, and then we have a lecture, and then there's text. So there's a playground that's attached to this. So you can go ahead into there and download the playground. So if we click into here, you'll see that the reference playground is attached to this. And you come over here and you click this button to see that playground, and you can just download that playground there. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the course dashboard. And then when we do the apps, basically for this app, for the Answer Ball app, there is a attachment here with reference material that has a couple key functions that you'll need. But at the end of the app, we have the source code, so all the Xcode files are attached, and you can download those for your reference. And then we have a quick quiz, and that's kind of the way it is. It's kind of learn some material, get some reference material, and then take a quiz. And that's how I structured it. And I tried to expect questions during my presentation and answer them, but that's not really possible on all occasions because I don't know who's at what learning level. So if you have questions, just come over here and click Add Discussion and ask away. Now, if you don't want to add a discussion that way, you can also click my name and click View Profile, and then you'll be able to send me a message. So either way, I'm happy to help, and I hope you enjoy the course.